My goodness, my goodness. My goodness, my goodness. So I've been seeing all these experts coming out and predicting the bottom. Well, I'm here to tell you something different. I'm here to tell you, don't listen to anybody else. Take your money and sit on the sidelines and wait until the bloodshed is over. I mean, look at this, people. This is what we call a classic pump and dump. That's right. A classic pump and dump. Look at this. It hasn't even been that long. My goodness. We were like just a couple months ago, November 12th. We were at, what was it? 6,000? So we're only like 3-4 months away from going back to those levels. And I think Jordan Belfort actually predicted this correctly. He did say it would crash. And he has been 100% correct. You see, I marked it, guys. I marked this because it's like, as Rich Stradamus, I just knew. You know? I just knew. And then I marked it up here because this is where I was selling. Oh, not everything. Unfortunately. See, that's why I got serious, because I'm obviously losing money to people. But I've been watching all these people predicting the bottom and trying to buy it at all these different peaks and valleys. And I'll tell you guys right now, the only thing you can do that's safe. Look at the MACD, guys. Up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down. So why would you be buying? I'm here to save you guys. Stop buying. I keep watching these so-called experts telling you guys to buy. Don't buy anything. Sit on the sidelines with your money, get your popcorn, and watch the show. That's the only thing to do. As an investor, why would you put your money at risk? I have to tell you guys to stop putting your money at risk, okay? Because I'm watching these so-called experts telling everybody they hit the bottom and they're buying and then it goes lower. And they're saying they put their life savings into Bitcoin and then it goes lower. And I'm sitting here going, guys, if you want to buy it, that's great. But when you tell people you're putting in your life savings and it goes lower, other people that trust you will also put in their life savings. And why would you be putting your life savings in cryptocurrencies, guys? Seriously. This is not the place to put your life savings, okay? You really need to do your due diligence with cryptocurrencies because this is a new industry. And this is not the place to put your life savings. Mark Cuban said put in 10%. I agree with that. That's what I've been doing. I've been playing with cryptocurrencies. I've been learning about cryptocurrencies. That's why I do ICO reviews. I'm not buying them. I'm learning about these companies because 5-10 years from now, they are going to be enormous. But right now, the market is under siege. So you do not want to be caught up in this, okay? You do not want to get caught up in this. So believe me when I tell you, we are not at the bottom. We will see lower prices. We've seen lower prices only a few months ago. I think we could see 5,000 again. So please stop listening to these YouTubers, these people that think they're experts, but they're not. In order to be an expert in anything, you need to put at least 8 to 10 years into it. This industry's only been around for that long. So anybody that tries to call you an expert, unless they're Roger Ver, is not an expert. Unless they actually bought it early. Unless they got in early, they're not an expert. So You need to sit on the sidelines with your money, and you need to protect your money. You need to protect your equity. You need to protect your capital. The entire market is under siege. Everything is down. It's bloodshed everywhere, okay? I own Ripple. I own Ethereum. I own Bitcoin. I own a lot of the top coins, and I'm getting hurt too. But I'm not buying on the way down. I'm not going to keep buying on the way down. I'm looking for a dead cat bounce. I'm looking for the bottom. I'm searching for the bottom. As an investor, we need to get good at searching for the bottom. How you doing, Umpire Strikes Back? Okay, Umpire Strikes Back says, good advice, Rich. Timing, markets, even especially crypto, is a fool's game. 100%. And to consistently keep telling people, we're at the bottom, I'm going to buy it here. And I'm looking at the chart, I'm like, how is this the bottom? The bottom could be 1,000. So when you're sitting there telling people it's the bottom, that's a little bit ridiculous. And I'm not here to call people out. I just want to protect the people. Okay, I want to educate the people. I want to teach the people. I want to help you make money. I want to help you guys win. Okay, and cryptocurrencies, I love cryptocurrencies. I've been earning with cryptocurrencies, but I've watched them go up and I've watched them come down. Okay, and then I've seen them go up again, like a head fake, and then they've come back down again. So my advice to everybody right now is be careful. Don't go buying bottoms that people are calling on YouTube. They are not experts. They know absolutely nothing. You probably know more than them. Stop listening to other people. Do your due diligence. Invest in a company because you love it. Not because some guy on YouTube or your buddy told you to invest. Because when that goes down, you're going to blame them. So do your research and invest in something because you love it. And when you see something going down 10, 20% in a day, don't rush to buy it just because it's down. Think about it. Why is it going down, guys? Trust your eyes. Look at these charts. They're all down. Am I going to rush to buy right now? Hell no. Why would I do that? Look at these. They're all down. They're all they're all down. Somebody has to stop the insanity. Somebody had to stop the insanity. I can't sit here and watch people calling bottoms when it's not the bottom. My goodness, I'm getting angry. I need to take another vacation. Jeez. How you doing, Nathaniel Parks? Yeah, it is a bloodbath. I'm watching March Madness. I ain't watching this nonsense. I wake up to this, I'm like, this is disgusting. So what am I in a rush to buy? I mean, let's just wait it out. What are we gonna do? Rush to buy these? They're down 80%, guys. Everything is down 80%. Do the math. We're all bleeding. So we gotta wait for the floor. We gotta wait for the bottom. All these so-called experts, they don't know jack shit. Stop listening to them. Okay? They don't know nothing. I don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. We don't know nothing. That's the truth, man. That is the truth. These experts. It is a jungle out there, Umpire Strikes Back. Yeah, Nathaniel says the crypto casino is in full effect. It is, but I'm just not even playing in the casino. Crypto space media. I'm doing good, bro. I just not liking these markets, man. I don't like it when people are getting hurt. And people are getting hurt everywhere. And people right now are sitting scared of the cryptos. So it's not good for the industry when every single coin is in the red. I mean, look at this. This is absolutely disgusting. So anybody that's holding cryptos like me, like you, we're getting annihilated. So when I'm watching guys talk about, this is the bottom, you know, I'm buying here, guys, this is the bottom. And I'm looking at the chart, I'm like, bro, what bottom? Do you even know how to read a freaking chart? What bottom? Like, hello, McFly, what fucking bottom do you see here? I see a sinking ship based on this chart. Look at this 6-month chart. Do you see a bottom? Where do you see the bottom? I want to know, guys, comment. Where's the bottom? Where is the bottom? I want to know. Seriously. Where's the bottom, guys? Come on. Matthew Scarpino says hookers and drug dealers use Bitcoin. That's kind of funny. Listen, man, Bitcoin is amazing. Cryptocurrencies and technology is amazing. But let's really analyze the chart. Since there's so many experts out there that like to read the charts, they like to talk about the RSI and the indicators, and they like to talk about the triangles, and they like to talk about the flow, and they like to talk about the MACD. I know all these indicators intrinsically. So when I'm looking at these indicators, what I see is a very choppy market, a market that's highly manipulated, a market that has buying and then immediately followed by selling, and a market that has buying and immediately followed by selling. This is the MACD. These are the indicators. This is the buying and selling signals. When you see it goes up, it's buying. When you see it's going down, it's selling pressure. See the selling pressure? Okay, look at all the buying and selling pressure. Buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. Where's the momentum for anybody to call a floor here? All these so-called experts. I'm tired of watching these guys on YouTube. I'm disgusted by it, actually. I can't continue to watch it and say nothing and sit here on the sidelines while these so-called experts continue to pick these bottoms. They can't pick bottoms. They can't pick anything. The only thing they can do is pick their nose. They ain't picking no bottoms, man. Look at these charts, guys. Where's the bottom? This is a sinking ship. All these experts. Come on, guys. Look at this. It's a sinking ship. That's straight down. Look at this. From here. Okay. Where's all the experts, guys? Come on, experts. Come out. Experts. Hello, experts. Where are you experts at? Like, see this? How is this? Where's the bottom? This is straight down. You're going to just pick a bottom? That's not how you trade. That's like wishing. That's wishing you're going to be right. That's wishing you're going to make money. That's wishing you're going to win. That's not how you trade. We have to sit and we have to watch. See? Since I've been talking, it's been going down. So I can't just sit on the sidelines while people are predicting that things are going to go back up and this is the bottom and hey man, I'm buying now and I'm putting my life savings into Bitcoin. Come on, man. Seriously? Come on. Yeah, and some of you guys are saying crypto has no value. Some people are saying there's going to be an explosion. But you know what? I'll be honest with you guys, man. This is an industry that I love. I love cryptocurrencies. I love trading. But I'm telling you guys right now, this is not the bottom. We need to sit on the sidelines and we need to continue to watch the show because there's so much manipulation in these markets. There are so many big players and so much news that's driving these markets up and down and sideways and all the way around. And it will continue to be this way. I do not see the bottom. Anyone who knows me knows I am investing in marijuana stocks, which actually have real revenues and a real product that people are buying every day. Now, I love technology and I love cryptocurrencies. I will continue to invest in cryptocurrencies, but right now I'm sitting on the sidelines and I'm investing in marijuana stocks. Why? Because they have a real product and they have a market cap that can be justified. I even had Charlie Lee on my show. Let's take a look at Litecoin. I had Charlie Lee on my show and I asked him, Charlie, how can you justify these market capitalizations when you know that these companies have no money in the bank? They have no equity on their balance sheet, no assets to justify these billion-dollar market caps. And his response to me was, no, I believe you can justify it. And he tried to explain it, but I honestly did not agree with his assessment. And I still don't agree with his assessment because how can you justify these market caps of these companies that are not transparent with their balance sheets? They don't show us their financials. We have no idea how much equity is on their balance sheet, how many assets they own. All these companies are private. So really, like, how can you justify these market caps? And the reality is you can't. And that's why they're going down. Now, will they go back up? Of course they're going to go back up. But this is not the bottom. Litecoin was at $30 like months ago. It's at 130 now. How can you say this is the bottom? Based on these charts, how can you say this is the bottom? That's what I like to know. So all I want to do is just protect my money and your money and just tell everybody, listen, man, don't be in a rush to buy things because people on YouTube are telling you they're buying the bottom. I'm hunting the bottom and I'm telling all my people, stay away. All my people are going on vacation and buying marijuana stocks. Why? Because they are the hottest industry in the world. And listen, I love cryptos too. I'm all in on cryptos and marijuana stocks, but I'm in more on the marijuana stocks. So where do I put my money first? Real estate. Second, marijuana stocks. Third, cryptos. Cryptos is only about 10% of my portfolio. That's all I'm prepared to put in. To be honest with you, I put in even less than that. To be honest with you. Because I wanted to learn about the industry before I put in a lot of money. And what I've learned about it is extremely volatile. And with that volatility comes huge rewards. It also comes huge potential losses. So you need to be an expert trader to be able to win this war, which I am not an expert trader. So what I'm doing is I'm investing in what I call is sure things. Licensed medical marijuana companies that have a license to grow medical marijuana, to produce and distribute medical marijuana through Health Canada. That's where I'm putting my money. Now, will I put my money back into cryptos? Of course. But I ain't gonna do it right now because this is a sinking ship. And I'll come back and I'll prove it to you and I'll continue to show you guys the truth. Because that's what we do here. We seek the truth. I'm here to tell you guys the truth. Some people don't like the truth, but I'm here to tell you the truth. This is a bloodbath in the markets. Everything is down. All of your favorite cryptos are down. And what are you going to do today? Are you going to rush to buy? I'm telling you that that's suicide. I'm not rushing to buy. I'm just going to wait it out. I want to wait it out. I want to see the momentum turn around because I do not see momentum. And when I do not see momentum, that is concerning. When I wake up and I see my favorite coin down 12%, and Ripple's my favorite coin, I'm concerned. I'm not happy. I'm not excited. I'm disgruntled. So my advice to everybody that's watching, that's listening all over the world, do not buy, sit on the sidelines, invest right now in your favorite real estate, in your favorite marijuana stocks, licensed medical marijuana stocks, and if you don't know where to go, come to Rich TV Live. I'll show you where to find the top medical marijuana stocks in the world. That's right, in the world. My picks have been legendary. My portfolio's up over 500% in the medical marijuana stocks. And I was doing really, really well in cryptos too, until the cryptos decided to crash. So my advice to everybody that's watching is be careful with the cryptos. They are very risky. They are very volatile. There's a lot of people telling you to put your life savings into crypto. It's going to change your life. It's going to make you a millionaire. And some people did become millionaires during these explosions. Some people did. And congratulations if you're one of them. But a lot of people right now that bought in at the top, because that's what people do. They follow the herd. If you did that and you bought at the top, you are getting destroyed right now. I would not advise you to start buying on the way down. I would say search for the bottom. Look for the bottom. When you see the bottom, that's when you buy. I'm telling you right now, my gut is saying this is not the bottom, and it's been saying that for months. Okay? So that's my advice to you guys. I hope you guys are careful. This is very dangerous times in cryptocurrencies. A lot of people are getting hurt. And I just don't want to see it any longer. Okay? Are you listening? So, my advice is stay on the sidelines. Do not throw any money at this right now. This is not the bottom. I hope it is, but my gut is saying it's not. And I've been saying that to my entire community since it was back to 11,000. And now here we are looking at Bitcoin at what price? 7,000? You're telling me this is the bottom? Since we've been talking, since I've been live, it's gone from 7,400 to 7,365. What does that tell you? It was down 5%. It's now down 6%. So who knows how to read charts? All right. This is not your expert. This is your boy Rich, just the guy who wants to help the people, wanting to protect your money. Look at this chart. Does this look like it's going up? Numbers don't lie, and charts don't lie, but people do, believe me. And this chart is going down. Look at the arrows, guys. Down. All right. This is your boy Rich, and I'm out. Nathaniel, Umpire Strikes Back. Thank you, guys. Matthew Scarpino, thank you for joining. Hope you have a great Sunday. TGOD, a medical marijuana stock, is IPOing tomorrow. I got my eye on it. A real company with real revenues, money in the bank, a license to grow medical marijuana. What do these companies have in the bank? I challenge you guys. What do these companies have in the bank? I'll keep finding you winners. I'm going to keep doing my due diligence. I'm going to find the new technology that is going to be explosive. But I'm telling you right now, this is not the bottom. This is your boy Rich. Hey guys, remember, I am not a licensed advisor. Always please do your own due diligence. Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your own due diligence and invest in something because you love it. I'm out. Peace.